Right, what's this? There we go. Fencer. Right, let's get it opened up and see what's wrong. So power plugged in, around 12 volts on the power supply. Totally dead. Right, let's open it up. Fuse is all right. I think I'm going to try and just go straight into the board with the power to make sure it's not the leads. Just noticed there's another fuse there. Right, let's see if this works. Nope. So that fuse is all right as well. Back of the board looks a bit rough. Right, signs of liquid there. I'll test some of these diodes, see what we can see. That leg, look, is gone on that LED. It won't make any difference to it working, I don't think, but it might be an indicator if you can actually see whether it's even doing anything. So let's resolder that quick so we can see whether the lights, because the light might just be on and it's not clicking, and then it's probably just the SCR, but at least we're actually able to see something. Something odd's going on here. That shouldn't be like that. Why is the outside of the switch to positive but not to negative? What the hell? What's that all about? Yeah, that makes no sense at all. That's 12 volt negative. Like, usually the housing of the switch should be to that, not to 12 volt positive. Just trying to test the switch to see whether it's working or not. Well, so I don't know if that's made a difference, because I just resoldered that, but it does actually flash now. I don't know whether it's flashing before, whether I just didn't see it, but it does actually flash. But yeah, it's not doing anything, so it's probably going to be like the SCR or something usually. Don't know if you can hear it, but it is like making a buzzing noise as well. So I've got like components for days like this. Is the triacs, there's thousands of the damn things. So the one on the board, it's the one on the board, a TYN 816. And in my box we have a TYN 1225 and a TYN 825. So I need to look at the data sheets and see whether they're similar to this. Right, so the 816 and the which one's that? Right, so the 825 and the 816 seem to have the same pin out anyway. I think one's just 25 amp and the other one's 16 amp. And the one that I'm wanting to use is the higher ampage, so should in theory work. We'll give it a go, see what happens. Right, it's the old one removed. That's the 816. What we got there? 825. Try that one. Right, so I tried that triac and I tried the other triac as well. And both still do this buzzing thing. I know you can hear it. But so it's definitely not the triac. That's the problem. There's this one here as well. Don't know if there's anything to do with that. Right, so I think I've figured it out. So it's actually doing something now. So what I've done is on the back, I've just literally just soldered that on there for the time being. It's not the right one, but I think that one's like one of the triggering ones that triggers the actual SCR just there. So it's not the right one, so I thought I'd bang it on just to test it to see what happened. And now it's doing it, so it's blatantly that's the fault. Let's try another one. Same sort of thing. So it is working, but it's not triggering properly. So what I'll do is get one of these ordered in, and then should hopefully sort it then. That's all been replaced, and now there we go. Change that, and now if we look at the meter, look, I'm getting a good 5.3 kilowatts out of this thing now. There we go. Job done. All back together, ready to send back to the customer.